In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom letters with Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating a social media graphic, or just sending out a fun invite, learning to customize text on Canva can really add a unique touch to your projects. Stick with me and we'll tackle it together step by step. First off, you need to open Canva and start a new design project or open an existing one. Once you're in your design space, you're ready to add some text, which is foundational to customizing letters. On the left hand side, you'll find the option labeled text. Clicking on this opens a whole new set of possibilities for your project. This is where you can either add a heading, subheading, or even a smaller text box depending on your project's needs. Now go ahead and click add a text box. This action will provide you a blank text box on your design canvas. This is your playground where you begin to breathe life into your project. Think about what you want to convey with your text and let that guide your next steps. Type the text you want to feature. It can be anything from a single letter to complete sentences, depending on your creative needs and the context of your project. The magic of Canva lies not just in the text you add, but in how you tailor it to your liking. Begin with choosing a font style that speaks to your design intention. Click on the current font displayed and you'll find an array of different fonts you can browse through. Take your time here because a font can significantly impact how your message is perceived. As you're going through this process, don't forget the font size, which you can easily adjust by changing the font number. This flexibility allows you to emphasize words that are more important by making them larger or downplaying others with a smaller size. Let's talk about color. Adding a splash of color truly brings text to life. To adjust your text color, simply click on the text color button and select from the palette of colors available. You can choose from Canva's suggestions or even input a specific hex code if you have a precise color in mind. Next, venture into the realm of text effects. Click on effects to see a wide selection that will instantly transform the vibe of your text. Whether you want a simple shadow or a more creative effect, like neon or glitch, spend a little time exploring what each effect does to your letters. Lastly, if you want your text to animate across the screen, click on Animate. Here, you can select from multiple animation styles that make your text pop with motion. This is an excellent finishing touch for presentations or digital content that could benefit from dynamic text. So there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on making custom letters with Canva. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts, sizes, colors, effects, and animations to create something truly your own. Happy designing!